Snow squall warning.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a snow squall warning for eastern Huerfano County in southeastern Colorado, western Los Animas County in southeastern Colorado, central Pueblo County in southeastern Colorado, until 2:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time.
First one caught.
At 2:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located near Waldenburg, or 17 miles east of Spring Burton, north of Highway 160, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This band of snow will affect the entire I-25 corridor from Pueblo south to the New Mexico border. As this band moved across the Pueblo County area, over an inch of snow fell in the Pueblo West area. Locations impacted include Pueblo, Trinidad, Waldenburg, Aguilar, Cookdale, Starkville, Salt Creek, Galera, Blend, El Carbo, Segundo, Pueblo West, Colorado City, and Weston. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.